Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount on Fresha. So first, you may want to head over to Fresha and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on the settings icon and from settings page, switch on marketing, then click on deals. Just proceed by clicking on start now. And from here, all you have to do is start by selecting deal type. So choose how do you want your discount to be created, if it's a promotion or flash sale or last minute offer. So in our case, we're going to pick promotion, then proceed by clicking on the continue button. So we're just going to name this discount. You can also add in description about this discount, then select the discount value. You can go higher or lower as much as you want. So in our example, we're just going to add in 20% discount value. You can also add in a discount code. So we're just gonna add DIC20 and select the promotion start date and when this promotion will end, or you can also choose never. And once everything is done, you can proceed by clicking on continue. Also set up promotion limits if you want to limit this to one use per client. Then proceed. Select locations where this promotion will be enabled. Then finalize everything by clicking on the create button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!